Hi there, this is an error log that we're going to do for a test if you have some errors and you need to correct them. For the top part, error log, you put your name, so I would write Mrs. Evans, and the test name is called place value. So the first one, you're going to go through, look at your test and see where do you have an error. Well, if there's a green mark on either the number or the actual answer, that means you have an error. So you're going to look at this is number 3. So you write the number 3. So what is the problem? This is where you draw the actual problem. And you draw your base 10 blocks because that's what is shown on the picture right here. Then you're going to write your error. What did you think? Well, I thought my answer was 103. But obviously that is incorrect because it has a green marking on it. So then what you're going to do is you're going to think, what have I learned in class? What do I already know? Well, I already know this is worth 100. I know this is worth 10. That's worth 10, and that's worth 10. So this is worth 100, 110, 120, 130. So it's actually worth 130. So you're going to write the correct answer right over here. You're going to do what you thought, what your original answer was, and now that you know how to do place value using base 10 blocks, you're going to do your new answer. Then you're going to keep looking through your test. You're going to ask yourself, did I get number 4 correct? Yes or no? Yes, I did, so I'm going to keep going. Did I get number 5 correct? No. This one is not number 5. They're actually not numbered, so you don't have to write anything on here. You're just going to write the actual words. What is the problem? Well, the problem said 5 tenths. Okay, so what is 5 tenths worth? My original answer was 0.5. But I know now that 5 tenths is not only worth 0.5. 5 tenths, if I drew it out, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It actually would be 5 longs. So I know that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the actual value of 5 tenths is not 5, but it's actually 50. So that's exactly how you do an error log. You just go through your test and see which ones you got correct. If you got them correct, obviously you don't need to do anything on this error log. If you got them incorrect, you need to fix them. You write what the problem is, and if there's a number that goes with it, what you thought was the answer, and then what did you learn from it, and what is the correct answer. If there's one that has to do with a label, like people or cars, then you have to write the label. But for these are all just base 10 numbers, and you don't need to do that. All right, that's all you need to know for an error log, and it will be due the next day. Thanks!